how to automate comment to DM automation on Instagram. Now you can automate this with a couple of different tools. Like for example, a lot of people are automating this with ManyChat. Well, I'm automating this with Go High Level because everything is in one platform, and I not only get to automate this, I also get to do a lot of different things. Like I can manage my conversations in one hub right here, as you can see under the conversations tab. So if you want to follow along for me to set this up for you, then click the first link down below in the description. You have 30-day free trial for Go High Level, and let's get started. So first of all, you want to go and switch to agency view. And when you switch to agency view, you want to create a sub account. A sub account represents your business account where you're going to be integrating your Instagram account too. So once you have a sub account, you simply go here and you switch to that sub account, okay? I have it right here. So I simply go to automation. And in here, I can create a workflow and I can start from template, okay? There's already a template here for Instagram. So I type in Instagram. And as you can see, I have Instagram comment automation. I can choose this template here. And in a couple of seconds, I will get this template ready to roll. So as you can see, template is ready to roll. Here, as you can see, page is. So obviously, first, let me kind of show you around, right, how this works. So this automation works in a way where someone will leave a comment on your post, and this is a trigger, okay? So this will trigger the automation. So anytime someone leaves a comment on your post, let's say a comment, within a comment, it says free, you will be able to go and the automation will respond to a comment right here, as you can see. And it will also reply to Instagram Interactive Messenger, as you can see right here. And then obviously here you can, get the checklist, for example, if you want to add like a checklist or, whatever it is, right? Because Instagram Interactive Messenger will create 3 different options: visit our website, default timeout, and get the checklist. If someone clicks get the checklist, then they will get here this message. And then from there, that's it. So this will depend what you want to do with Instagram automation. But in order for this to work, go to your sub account and simply go to your settings, then go to integrations. And in here, you want to go and you will have somewhere in here, you will have Instagram, okay? If you don't have Instagram here, you will need to actually go and you will need to add Instagram by going to your sites and then here, or marketing actually, sorry. And then here you want to go and you want to enter add a new social media and you want to connect your Instagram, okay? Once you connect your Instagram, click here, pages, and then you want to select the page, your Instagram page, okay? You want to select that. Once you hit save, obviously the filter is right now empty, but you will select your Instagram page. From there, you have a respond to comment, and this is exactly what you can do. You can add multiple different responses. For example, hey, check your DM. Thanks for showing your interest. Please check your DM. So add multiple different responses. This is also if you want to like the comments. Again, multiple different responses. Just make sure that Instagram knows that you're not automating this, and that everything looks human. From then, hit save, and then Instagram Interactive Messenger. You can go here and you can say something like, hey, and then whatever you're offering, right? And now this is really important. Whatever you're offering needs to be in here. So here it's visit our website, right? You can then go here and you can click, send the website, for example, Instagram Interactive Messenger, and then send the website. For example, in here, Instagram Interactive Messenger, right? And then here is our website. And then you can send the website here, right? So that's something you can do, like, because you will give them 3 different options. Here is get the checklist. Now, getting the checklist, it can be something else as well. Like here, if you go, you can adjust this right here. As you can see, we already have visit our website, so we don't actually have to do this. Get the checklist can be anything, right? Get the PDF, whatever you want to do, right? Whatever you want to kind of give to your audience, you put here. Once you put it here, you have it right here, and then here you enter your checklist. For example, in this case, it's a checklist. So we say, hey, here is your checklist, and then, below we put a link to that checklist. Now, what's also cool is you can host pretty much, once you're done, by the way, you hit publish and save. But what's also cool is you can build like a media storage right here with your PDFs. And then let's say I have a PDF right here. Let's say this image, right? I can get a link for it and I can copy that link in my Instagram Messenger here. So here's your checklist and I paste the link and anyone can go and access that particular link because it's public. So that's why Go High Level is so good for this. Plus you can also post on Instagram if you want, go to marketing and you have Social Planner here and you can post to Instagram. You can also post to Threads, to Blue Sky, YouTube, TikTok, whatever you want. You can pretty much post within one platform. Also, you can check the conversations tab to see what people or how many people actually reply to your DM. So that's something you can also see right here. But yeah, that's overall it. If you want, you can check out our 30-day free trial link below if you want to test this out for yourself. And also, if you have any comments, feel free to comment down below, if you maybe need some help with this particular automation. So thank you guys for watching and we'll see you in the next video.